Hello dear Sagittarius, welcome to my channel Karmic Sage. I am Vaishali and in this video I am going to read your cards for the month of June 2021. So, let's see what is there for you for this month. While I shuffle my cards, I request you all to please do like and subscribe my channel and do share my videos also. Do let me know in the comments how are you feeling with these videos. Do you find them appropriate? How are you finding my predictions? Yeah, thank you so much to be connected with me here. So spirits and guides, please guide Sagittarians for the month of June 2021. I'm going to pull out 3 cards for you. Yeah, and this is going to be my last shuffle now before I draw my cards. Okay, wait a second. Please guide Sagittarians for the month of June 2021. Oh my god. So I take this as my first card here, Ace of Cups. Moon. We have Hangman here. Okay. So dear Sagittarians, to begin with, I would say that this month is going to, you might have begun your month already, and this June month you will be expecting some kind of increment. You will be expecting new opportunities or something that the career that you always wanted to get into it, or the position that you wanted to get into it might be, you might attract such things again. So you might attract such things this month. That would also help you in enhancing your financial position. Okay. So with Moon card here, so this opportunity that is coming your way, maybe you may not be able to make you may not be able to make proper use of this opportunity due to lack of some information, or due to maybe required information here, and probably you are not skilled enough. You are lacking certain skills where you have to develop yourself, or it may be something that that is being manipulated there. So there is kind of confusion. There may be a confusion also. There may be delays in the work as well. What I am seeing, we have Hangman here. So definitely you feel that things are not moving. You are expecting this to happen probably in a week's time, but you find by end of the week that yes, this is the same. As you started it, you are at the same place again. You are still standing for this growth. You are still standing for this opportunity. But there is an opportunity, dear Sagittarians, with delays, and for this also you have to seek some clarity again. There is some kind of friction coming between you and your opportunity. So things are not clear to you still. So cards are suggesting that you need to wait for a while before you get this opportunity, before you no before you finalize some deal or something, some potential deal in your business. So this is this is a time where you have to wait, where you have to hold on instead of taking some wrong decision, or instead of demotivating yourself. You need to wait for some time, and probably later then you feel that things are moving forward, and you will definitely be able to grab this opportunity also. So it's a time where you have to be little patient, dear Sagittarians. Okay, and also try to seek clarity on it, try to find all the details, all the required information, whatever you're seeking for, and only then make your decision. In fact, I would say don't decide impulsively, and don't decide impulsively, or even don't even make decision. Give some time, take some time, nothing will happen. It is there, and if it is yours, then it will definitely come to you. So just have patience, dear Sagittarians, for this month. Right, I will pull out another card for you, and this is going to be the guidance from the universe. Let's see what the universe has you to guide. Okay, please guide Sagittarians for the month of June 2021. Here I'm gonna pull out one card for you. Okay, so now we have a card. My outer experiences are a reflection of my internal condition. And you see, the same moon has come here again, what we have in our tarot reading also, what we have in our tarot card also. Okay, yeah, so I think this is much clear to you now. So the same moon, so I am seeing that you see almost the same thing. My outer experiences are a reflection of my internal condition, and the message itself resembles, I mean, it reflects to our tarot reading as well, where lack of clarity and my you need to first stabilize yourself before you go for something else, before you opt for something else. I guess there is some sound disturbance coming from outside. I'm really sorry for that, Sagittarians. So such a spot on card here, dear, for you all. Okay, nothing to worry about. Just take your time, relax, and then move. Okay, I wish you good luck. Till then, I see you again in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.